hardware for the drones is really something that there are a couple options in our price range that meet our needs. The hardware itself is not really that interesting. There may be 3 or 4 different kinds of electronic speed controller, that we can afford with our budget, and sort of the way you build a drone is certainly there's a lot of room for innovation, but we've just focused on let's just build something typical and then write software that makes it a delight to use.
So one of the goals of our project was to create kind of like an application agnostic and generic software platform to run on commodity hardware that you can build and put together yourself. So a lot of our work has been building these abstraction layers, these software libraries and APIs, so that you as a client can write what we call mission applications to build any kind of autonomous multi-drone task that you want. So, we've played with a variety of different applications in the past, and since it's designed to be generic and agnostic, we've done things like sensing of wireless channel strength as part of the REST networks group. That was one of the prime directives of the project. We've also done things like using a 360-degree spinning LiDAR sensor like the ones that you see on self-driving vehicles to get like a 3-dimensional map of an environment. So, the goal of the project was to design something that's very generic and that you can apply in different ways.
I think one of the things that people don't always realize about drones when you're talking about using them for whatever application is that if you can get by with something that's stationary, it's frequently a lot easier. The real advantage of drones comes in applications where they're exploring an environment that's not really accessible by humans or would be too dangerous for humans to explore. For instance, if there's a gas leak somewhere, you need to find it. A swarm of drones would be a great choice. Sending in a person, maybe not, 20 years down the road, maybe they'd have some kind of serious health effect, but a drone, in the worst case, you crash and they're pretty cheap, you just buy another.